friends, God bless you. Welcome back. We're going to get into the rhythm of things. This is week number 4, cleaning your kitchen. And friends, this is how I had my season last year. So let's move forward to 2022. Guys, I did some rearranging from the last time I decluttered my upper cabinets. And as you see, I have my glasses here, but I had to rearrange some things so that it can work for me. Let me let you know something, friends. It's going to take time to declutter your kitchen. And sometimes as you're decluttering, you're going to change things as you see you progress and you grow in decluttering. You're going to come up with some greater ideas because that's what I said. It's a process. So I thank you so much for joining us on the 16 weeks of kitchen cleaning. Guys, in this week, I changed some things around with my seasoning. It's time to clean that season drawer, that cabinet, or wherever you're keeping your seasoning at, guys, because sometimes we have outdated seasonings. Friends, here I'm just checking and make sure that the door of the cabinet closes because I have my Lazy Susan here and I'm going to use a seasoned rag from Walmart. Friends, let me introduce my co-host. I have Miss Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reef and Things and Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel. I thank you ladies for joining me in this collaboration of cleaning. It's not easy. Guys, please go back and show them love and support. Thank you. Their links will be in my description box. Friends, as I go through this, I'm going to eventually minimize the amount of seasoning I have. But the reason why I have so much seasoning now is because my daughter works to Publix, and when they go on sale for 25 cents, she always bring me some. So that's why I have a lot of seasoning. Friends, I want to give a shout out to Simple Southern, Miss Thelma. Thank you so much for the motivation because she said, Penny, I know it's not easy that you're getting up and down on that floor on that last video. So guys, even in this, I'm going to try to shout out your channel. Thank y'all so much for motivating me. Thank y'all so much for commenting. Thank you so much, guys, for y'all going along with us on this process because it is a process. Cleaning is therapy, guys. And when you have a clean home, it feels so much better. I thank y'all so much. And I hope that if you can participate, you don't have to do a whole lot. Just do a little bit at a time and just make a video with it. Next week, guys, we're going to do under the kitchen sink. So how many of you guys need to reset under the kitchen sink? Friends, I'm just organizing it and just taking my time with it, and just want to share this with you guys because like I said, if you have a small space, you're going to have to learn to be creative, and there's things that we cannot keeping our kitchen that's taking up real estate. So we got to be wise, guys. I am doing one space at a time in my home. I am putting this on social media. I'm getting a lot of comments from family and friends, guys, because so many people during this time, especially during the winter season, they need that motivation, because you can't do too much outside right now. Some of y'all have snow. So, guys, you might as well get these areas in the home that we've been putting off. We all did it. Get it done. So friends, here in this part, I show you my new seasoning jars. I had them sometime this year, and this is how it all came together. So I am still going to move that top cups up there. They're not going to stay there. Now, if any of you ever ordered seasoning jars, I love these because they have the opening, you can sprinkle your seasoning, but they have some weird names. Some of these seasonings, I have no idea what they are, but thank God, guys, for my Cricut, or some of y'all call it the circuit machine, and I've learned how to make my labels. Guys, I figured this thing out, and this is one that I did, but I didn't stick with the first one, but it's the one with the garlic. That's the one I did. And this is how I'm doing it, guys. So it's a process. I'm not going to take y'all through all of that. Friends, here I use the masculine tape because you save a lot of money. But if y'all have large projects and you use the Cricut, you're going to have to use the transfer tape. But this is so easy, guys. It took a little process, but it's well worth it. So friends, this is how I transfer my season from the bottle to these little seasoning jars. They sent with the jars a funnel, and it made it so much easier. But you just got to be very patient, friends, because it does make a mess. So I was just trying to rush it. But this is my smoked paprika. It smells so good, and it's so expensive, and it's kind of hard to find, to be honest with you, and it's so pricey. So I got to be so careful on wasting too much. But guys, I hope that this helped you to organize your seasoning. Friends, this is the finish of my seasoning. It came out so beautiful, and I did use the permanent vinyl. Guys, you're going to have to play with this thing when you do it, because I had the labels at first. I did a few. I had it turned backwards. So just turn it, so make the labels if you do it so that you can read it. So guys, I hope that this has been an inspirational. Thank you so much for joining me on today. And if the Lord say the same, I'll see y'all next week. Decluttering under the sink. Thank you so much. And for those that are new, don't forget to subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye from Penny.